Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Hanila's. Christmas is coming up, so I wanted to start early this year and I prepared for you a really fun and super easy cookie decorating tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this simple, fully edible gingerbread house. I often get asked about gingerbread houses for children, something that they can decorate and later they can also eat. So today this house can be completely eaten. It's made with delicious honey cookie dough recipe. Link to the recipe is in the description box. And I'm also teaming up with my friend Amber from SweetAmbs. Amber is sharing on her YouTube channel how to make this gorgeous Christmas cookie box. You can visit the tutorial by clicking on the link in the description box. And now let's get started with today's tutorial. So first off, we have to make the cookie dough. I am using my honey cookie dough recipe. All the details about how to prepare it can be found on the blog. I like to let it rest for a couple hours as it firms up and it's easier to handle. When making a large gingerbread house, it's best to roll out the cookie dough on a parchment paper that then you can transfer onto the baking sheet, so your cutouts are not going to be transferred and they are not going to get misshaped, because house cutouts can be pretty large at times. With the honey cookie dough recipe, you can dust it lightly with flour to prevent sticking, and I like to actually roll it out to about 3 millimeters to 4 millimeters. There is a little bit of baking powder, baking soda in this recipe, only a quarter teaspoon when I'm making a gingerbread house, so it's not gonna puff up significantly, but it will puff up slightly. And I'm going to bake all the cookies at 350 degrees of Fahrenheit. Larger panels obviously will take a bit longer to bake, and smaller cookies they usually take about 7 to 8 minutes. They should be lightly golden brown around the edges, and if you see that the cookie is still wet in the center, it just means that it needs a little more time in the oven. Once the cookies are baked, you can take them out and let them cool completely before you decorate these. Honey cookies usually last for up to 4 weeks, so they are perfect for holiday season and all year round. We'll actually love them all year round. You can see this is a baked cookie and I'm going to let it cool. To build the house, I'm using stiff royal icing. I'm just going with white royal icing. You can find a recipe on the blog. And we're going to glue the house first. So gluing the base first. That's the 4 walls, front, back, and sides, and then we're gonna let it dry for about 3 to 4 hours, and then we can attach the roof. In the meanwhile, if you have a chimney section, you can also glue the chimney cookies and let that dry as well. You can prop up the walls with small containers or use skewers. And now we're going to add the roof. Again, support the roof from the bottom with skewers or bottles and let it dry. And now it's time to decorate. So the decorating is super easy and really fun. So you can see I put my house on a side. That way you can see easier what I'm doing. You can obviously just have it standing up. And I'm just gonna be using royal icing as the glue and little candies, which is super fun for kids to do and really easy. For the wreath, I'm using green M&Ms. And also some mini red M&Ms, snowflakes, and sprinkles. So you can really have fun with this design. You can make it your own by using whatever candies you have and you like. Now this is the back panel. I'm using some coarse sanding sugar. If you make a mistake, just scrape the icing off and start over. Now notice underneath there of my house I have two rolling guides. This way the house is elevated slightly, so my design on the other side is not gonna mess up. Now to decorate the roof, I'm using thick royal icing, and I'm just gonna spread it with a spoon and make a design with swirling motion. I'm also going to attach my little heart and dust it with some extra coarse sanding sugar, and then you're gonna repeat that on the other side. Now we are going to attach the chimney. Just add some more royal icing on the bottom. And to decorate the top, I'm using candies. On the back wall, I'm also going to have a Christmas tree. So I'm making a garland, decorating it with M&Ms and chocolate nonpareils. And we also need some gingerbread man cookies, so I'm gonna have 2 gingerbread man cookies in the front of the house. And that's how you can make this adorable and super simple edible gingerbread house for holidays. Perfect for project for the family and for the kids. And also don't forget to check out how to make this gorgeous Christmas cookie box by SweetAmbs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. For all the recipes and tools used in this tutorial, be sure to visit my blog. Link is posted in the description box under the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.